In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable table of contents in Microsoft Word. A clickable table of contents is a quick navigation tool that lets you jump to different sections of your document with a single click. It's especially useful for longer documents like reports, manuals, and academic papers. The great thing is, Word can generate this for you automatically, as long as your headings are set up correctly. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Before you insert the table of contents, you need to make sure your headings are formatted using Word's built-in heading styles. Click on the title or section heading you want to appear in the table of contents. Then, go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, choose a heading level, such as Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and so on. Do this throughout your document, so Word knows which text should be included in the table of contents. Once your headings are in place, move your cursor to where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of the document, after the title page. Click once to place the cursor there. Then go to the References tab at the top of Word. In the Table of Contents group, click the Table of Contents button. You'll see several automatic styles to choose from. Select one of the automatic tables. Word will instantly generate a table of contents based on the headings you applied. Your table of contents should now be visible, with each entry linked to its corresponding section. To test that it's clickable, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click any entry in the table. Word should take you directly to that section in the document. On some systems, you might be able to click directly without holding Control, depending on your settings. As you continue editing your document, you might add new sections or change your headings. If that happens, your table of contents won't update automatically. To refresh it, click anywhere inside the table of contents. A small option will appear at the top that says Update Table. Click that, then choose whether you want to update just the page numbers or the entire table and click OK. Updating the entire table is safer if you've added or removed headings. And that's it. By using heading styles and the built-in table of contents feature, you can create a clean, clickable navigation for any Word document.